This combination have been growing my hair like crazy. If anything on this internet doesn't work for you, this one would definitely work for you because this is fire. We are going to use the total of two ingredients, two very simple ingredients that you have in your kitchen. The first one is cloves. You shouldn't even joke with this. I know it's important to have varieties, but this one in particular stands out because this one is literally growing your hair like as short as 2 weeks. 2 weeks you will start seeing baby hair. The second ingredient is cayenne pepper. You guys will not think I'm crazy. This is really amazing. This grows your hair almost instantly. You can also substitute this cayenne pepper for black pepper. This gives you that fire circulation on your scalp that you need to get that hair growing. This one goes directly into your bloodstream and increase the circulation on your scalp. Before you ask me if it is safe, it is 100% safe. This will not cause any irritation or whatsoever on your scalp as long as you use it correctly. This is an extremely effective hair growth spray with just two ingredients, and they work together like miracle. One stimulates blood flow to your scalp while the other one strengthens your hair. When you combine them correctly, they can transform your hair health from roots to the tip. Most times it is not genetic. It is not because no member of your family has long hair. Sometimes it is because your scalp is not getting enough circulation or there is an inflammation underneath your scalp. Poor circulation means your scalp is not getting enough oxygen and nutrients. Just imagine trying to grow a plant without watering it. That is your hair without proper blood circulation. That is where the cayenne pepper comes in. It contains a compound that have proven to improve blood circulation whenever it is applied. When you apply it on your scalp, it will increase the circulation on your scalp and signal blood vessel to open up and feed your hair follicle. Now, combining this with clove, which is rich in antioxidants, vitamin, and eugenol, that is the compound responsible for stimulating the scalp and strengthening the hair roots. Together, this forms a hair boosting powerhouse that help awaken the dormant follicle. Even if your follicle is dead, like your hair stopped growing for a very long time, nothing has helped. This would definitely work for you immediately. Before I get into the benefit, let me quickly explain what we did here. So all you need is your cayenne pepper and some cloves. Grind it together or you can use it whole. Grinding it makes it easier to infuse into the water. After that, transfer into your jar and add in a bit of water. Then let it sit for at least 2 hours before you can use it. This is exactly what you're going to get after 2 hours. Very potent. Please let me put it out there. Do not use this on a baby. Do not use if you have a sensitive or inflamed scalp. Now let's dive into the benefits of both ingredients. Cloves are loaded with magnesium, vitamin K, and eugenol. The compound eugenol is known for its antimicrobial property, meaning it can help keep your scalp clean and free from buildup that blocks the hair follicle. It also strengthens the hair shaft, reduce breakage, and help darken the hair over time. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which doesn't just warm the scalp, it triggers and activates blood flow in that area. More blood flow is equals to more nutrients and more growth. Capsaicin have shown in research to be the factor that triggers direct circulation, which promotes scalp activity. I am telling you, I am not crazy. These are the things that actually work. This is proven, scientifically backed. When you pair eugenol and capsaicin together, you are literally giving your scalp a natural growth therapy section, increasing blood flow, reducing inflammation, and encouraging new hair growth. If nothing else have worked for you, try this one. I am promising you, it is a guarantee that it will work for you. By 2 weeks, you will start seeing new hair growth. This is very fast. It doesn't just take time. I want you to try out this for 2 weeks, then come back with your feedback. This is not your regular DIY spray, so you should be mindful. Do not use this every day. Do not use it every other day. Use it 2 times in a week. 2 or 3 times in a week is perfect. Do not overuse it. Here's how to use this for maximum benefit. Shake up the bottle before every use. Pat your hair into section. Apply directly on your scalp. This spray has no business on your hair strands. Apply directly on your scalp, then use your finger to massage it in. Massage for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps the cayenne pepper activate blood flow while the cloves strengthen your hair follicles. You can use this 2 to 3 times weekly depending on how sensitive your scalp is. If you have a sensitive scalp and you know this will irritate you, you can dilute it further with water or add some oil. Never use this on a broken skin or irritated skin because there's a high chance that it will get irritated more. Take extra precaution if you have to avoid getting into your eye. Before you ask if you should wash it or leave it in, here is my answer. It all depends on you. You can leave it in if it will not irritate your scalp. Otherwise, wash it out after 30 minutes. Follow up with a conditioner and a butter to seal it in. Remember, consistency is key. You're not going to see the results overnight. Use this 2 to 3 times weekly. After 2 weeks, come back to share your review. People who have used this combo consistently report visible growth from week 2 to week 4. They notice baby hair around their edges, they notice their hair becomes thicker and shedding reduce. If you have bald spots or thinning edges, this remedy will be awesome because it will stimulate and regrow those areas, combined with scalp massage and protective styling. Make sure you take before and after pictures so you can see the progress. You'll be so shocked. You will be surprised how fast your hair can grow in a matter of 2 to 4 weeks. Another benefit of using cayenne pepper on your hair is that it detoxifies your scalp. It unblocks your clogged pores on the scalp and remove buildup from oils and dead skin cells, making room for healthy environment. Cayenne pepper allows for better absorption of oils and herbs when combined together. It also helps fight inflammation and bacteria that can cause scalp acne and itchiness. A clean scalp is a healthy environment for your hair. This is definitely a guaranteed recipe you should jump on right now because these two ingredients actually complement each other so well. Clove improves microcirculation, cayenne pepper stimulates deep circulation. Together, they can maximize nutrient flow to your hair follicle. Cayenne pepper awakens the hair follicle. Clove nourishes them, a perfect growth pair. Clove strengthens the hair strands, while cayenne pepper ensures new hair growths grow stronger from the root. Clove purifies and detoxifies the scalp. Cayenne pepper keeps it active and oxygenated. This combo ensures a very active hair follicle. It keeps your hair growing over time. It also ensures that you retain length. A healthy root reduces shedding and also make your hair longer over time. You should definitely try this. Let me say this again, cayenne pepper is strong. If you have a sensitive scalp, do a batch test before you apply this throughout your hair. If the tingling feels too intense, dilute with water or add aloe vera juice to calm it down. Avoid getting this into your eye. If you have an open cut on your scalp, please do not apply this until it is properly healed. For the duration, this can be stored in your refrigerator for as long as 10 days. Discard it and make another one. Caution, I know I've said this before. Do not use this spray for a child under 2 years. Additional tip, drink more water. Hydration helps the follicle stay active. Eat more protein. The hair is made of keratin, a protein, so your body needs more protein. Combine this spray with regular scalp massages and a healthy hair care. Sleep with a satin bonnet to reduce breakage. Also be consistent and patient with your hair. If you're open to try this, let me know in the comment section. Just type I will try it. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Also share this video to your loved ones who might think needs help with their hair. Thank you for watching. Hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.